I'm not Kenyan. I'm Ugandan, but I'm a Kenyan mom. I've come today for this man, Mano. Even if I'm going to die, I don't care.
I was watching this video and I'm asking myself, can Nigeria ever be like this? Can Nigeria ever unite, have one voice, and demand for good governance?
In East Africa here, it's only Kenyans who have balls. You guys, man, respect. Sometimes you have to give respect where it's due.
Kenyans gathered in large numbers all over the country on June 25th, 2025 to remember and honor all the Kenyans who were brutally killed by police officers while exercising their constitutional right to peacefully protest, picket, and demonstrate. Kenyans also gathered on the streets to remember all the Kenyans who were brutally killed as a result of extrajudicial killings and to demand for justice and accountability and also for good leadership.
Kenya ni home.
Kenya ni home. Kenya ni home. One town. 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 One town.
During the protest, police officers used extreme force, and in the process, over 16 Kenyans were killed. According to BBC, over 400 Kenyans were injured during the protest, and some are receiving treatment right now. Some female protesters were unfortunately sexually assaulted by goons who were allegedly hired by politicians to disrupt the protest. And the goons also stole properties of some civilians, and they also destroyed business properties and vandalized public property as well. The whole world, including the African continent, has been watching what has been happening in Kenya since last year, and this is what some people from different African countries had to say about the revolution in Kenya. Take a listen.
Millions of people in Kenya has come out demanding for their president to step down. And this is the video. Almost every Kenyans, like almost everybody in Kenya, they have taken over the street, all the roads of Kenya. They started from ending bad governance and police brutality. And now the Kenya government turned it against them, started, firing tear gas. They even shut down some television in Kenya so that they wouldn't air what they are doing to the citizens. And now it seems that the Kenyan citizens has overpowered the government. Take a look at the massive people that came out demanding for their president to step down. And I can tell you for free that at this point, Kenyans have had enough of police brutality and bad leadership. And that is why all of them managed to unite, have one voice, and demand for a good governance. Oh my goodness, I'm shaking watching those videos, because can our country ever be like this? Like, I was watching this video and I'm asking myself, can Nigeria ever be like this? Can Nigeria ever unite, have one voice, and demand for good governance? Can we ever? Can we learn from Kenyans? Like, can Kenyan videos, all these videos coming from Kenya, motivate us? Like, give us courage that the government belongs to the people, not to the leaders.
Guys, we need to accept. I think in East Africa, it's only Kenyans who have the balls to wake up and protest. Kenya is the only country where people can just wake up, Simanya the Gen Zs, and they go on the streets and protest. In other East African countries, you can't risk. Have you ever heard of a protest in Burundi? You can't hear about it. Have you heard of a protest in Rwanda? People in Tanzania, those guys don't protest. Most of us are just good at protesting online, maybe. Here in Uganda, as you're thinking you're protesting, as you're just planning, the police would have already got you and arrested you. As you're still in the planning process, you can never hear of a protest in South Sudan. In East Africa here, it's only Kenyans who have balls. You guys, man, respect. Sometimes you have to give respect where it's due. Fear Kenyans. Fear those guys, man. Guys just wake up in the morning and they are protesting on the streets.
Kenya. I mean, today happens to be one of those very sensitive days in Kenya where Kenyans are out there on the streets. They are protesting. I mean, everybody wants, a better life, a better government. They just want things to be better in their country. They want to feel like they are actually home, right? So, and this is what so many Africans are going through in their countries. But Kenyans said, we will not stay silent anymore. So Kenyans are out there protesting. I really wish them a good protest. Let it be as peaceful as possible. And I pray the government sees them and listens to them, most importantly, right? I pray no one gets hurt. Kenyans, you all stay safe. We see you all. Our hearts are with you. We love you, Kenyans. We love you. We're praying for you. We're thinking about you. And just stay safe. Just do things the right way. And yes, I know sooner than later, the sun shall soon shine on you all. Kenya, you've got my respect. You've been doing the most within this past month. And I'm even wondering, how do Kenyans succeed to pull up all of these? But grace, man, grace, determination, intentionality. These people are intentional about what they want to become, what they want their country to become. How I wish so many other African countries could just reason like that. But I wish you all the best, Kenyans. My heart's with you all, and you all stay safe and sound.
Unajua Kenya sio nchi, kile ni kishikilizio cha dunia. Yaani dunia iko hivi, alafu kuna kile kinachoishikilia dunia. Ndio Kenya yenyewe. Sawa, leo ni maandamano. Lakini kilichonishangaza, kuna watu wanaandika usia. Usia mnahitaji huko kwenu? Usia. Yaani mtu anaandika kwa mfano, mimi fulani nimezaliwa tarehe fulani, nimekufa tarehe fulani. Okay. For example, Sabato Peter amezaliwa mwaka 1970, amekufa tarehe 25 mwezi wa 6 2025. Ndicho hicho wanachokifanya. Hello. Hey guys. Yaani kuna Wakenya tayari wameshajipeleka mbinguni wenyewe. Tayari wameshaandika usia, wameshajipeleka mbinguni wenyewe. Wameshalipia na mochwari. Jamani, hata kabla hawajafa wameshajifia. Kenya ni kishikilizio cha dunia. Yaani dunia iko hivi. Sasa kuna ile sehemu imeshikiliwa, ndio Kenya imeishikilia dunia. Ni kishikilizio.
Kenyans are doing the most right now. Kenyans are really doing the most. I pray that the good Lord, your ancestors, protect each and every one of you during this trial moment. We have seen, we have witnessed, we have experienced your protest. We have seen you all go into the streets and plead for good governance, plead for better opportunities, plead for everything basically good as a citizen of your own country. We have seen you. We are witnesses. Kenyans, we are with you with our full chest. Yes, I'm sending hearts to you all. My tears are with you. And I pray my own ancestors don't fail you people. Your ancestors should stand by you people. You are doing the right thing. I'm not going to lie. I mean, there's a lot going on right now in the world. Shitty stuff. A lot of shitty stuff. Some people are just taking us especially the people in high positions. They are taking the rest of the world I don't know. But Kenyans have said that I will not sit in my country and then I'm unable to have the basic necessity that I need as a citizen of my country. Kenyans have said no. We just need a better governance. That's all we are asking for. We see you, Kenya. We love you. We appreciate you. Stay safe. Just do things the right way. They shouldn't have any thing to use against you during this protest time. Just do a peaceful protest, like what you always do, like your peaceful protest. And the good Lord just be with you. May the good Lord be with you. Kenyans are amazing people, hard workers. They are out to fix their country, and they are doing it. It's amazing. I just wish every African country had the zeal that Kenyans have, because I can see the fire burning in their eyes. I can see the desire, for greatness in the eyes of Kenyans during this period. May you all stay blessed. I love you, Kenyans. just take good care of yourselves, and we pray for better days. Like, yes, better days will surely come.
I'm not Kenyan, I'm Ugandan, but I'm a Kenyan mom. I've come today for this maandamano. Even if I'm going to die, I don't care. I'm a Muslim. Na nikikufa Kenya, munizike hapo leo. Musilalishe maiti yangu, mimi ni Muislamu. Munizike leo. I've gone through a lot in this country. Not me alone, mothers. Even she's a mother. She's a mother. I love my Kenyan people, but women are going through a lot. We are suffering. Hiyo gavana tunyanyasa. Walai maisha ni ngumu Kenya. Mbona ama gava itusaidie basi na watoto jameni. Tunagopa hadi kuzaa. Tunagopa hadi relationship squeezy. Maisha nenda ikiendelea ikikuwa hard. Me as a Ugandan lady, Kenyan mom, I will speak out. I'm East African baby. I'm an East African giant. I'll speak. This is my home.
Alright guys, so you might not be a Kenyan or be a supporter of Kenya or like Kenyans, but at this moment guys, being an African, we all need to pray for them. Like, we all need to support them, we all need to pray for them, because like these guys are going through a lot at the moment. Because with the videos, people tagged me to over 100 videos. Over 100 videos. People share video to me, pictures and stuff. Guys, with everything that people have shared to me so far, guys, these guys are going through a lot at the moment. So they really need us. The only support we can offer them now is advice and prayer. You understand? Because no one will leave his country to go there and protest. The only thing they need from us is advice and prayer. So that's the only way we can support them. So me as a person, I stand with Kenyans. I stand with the citizens, with Kenyan citizens. Yes, I stand with you guys because I know what you guys are fighting for. Here in my country, we're facing the same thing. So if any country can step up and be like, we don't want this, and if you guys can achieve it, yeah, why won't I stand with you guys? So you guys are fighting for justice, you're fighting for truth, you understand? So I stand with you guys, I stand with the citizens, you understand? So let's just keep supporting them, encouraging them, and praying for them as well. Like I usually say, and I'm still saying it, guys, stay safe out there, please. Stay safe out there. For at the making of this video, two video has been sent to me for people that were shot. 2 guys who were shot. You understand? So I don't know how many are still there that has been shot. I don't know how many that has been injured or whatever, guys. But please, everybody should please stay safe. Watch out for your brother. Watch out for your sister. Watch out for your cousins. You understand? So with the same aim, one focus, guys. Watch out for each other and defend each other. Stand for each other. Stay for each other. You understand? So, guys, from the bottom of my heart, I'm wishing you guys success in whatever you guys are trying to achieve. This is not content. You can see I didn't put that machete. This is not content, guys. So I'm sending my own support to you guys. I love you guys. 100 for you. Viva Kenya! I love you.
Guys, the biggest protestation that is ever going to happen in Africa is going to happen tomorrow in Kenya, the 25th. So Kenyans are planning to shut down the whole country tomorrow. See, this is my message to the Kenyan government. I want to tell you people that the whole world is watching you people. Especially tomorrow, the whole world is watching you people. The whole world is waiting to see how your police officers are going to react. You understand? The last protestation, one of your police officers opened fire on somebody who was not even protesting. You know, in Africa, it's only in Africa where if you protest for your rights, you are there, you are either dead or you automatically gone missing. You just go missing. Nobody ever notice or finds you again where you are. Sometimes they may find your body somewhere. Sometimes they will not even find your body. It's only in Africa that happens. That something like that happen. First of all, I just want to say I pray for all my people in Kenya. Let's all pray for Kenya. And let's all pray that all those who goes outside to protection tomorrow comes back safely. You understand? That's my prayer for the people of Kenya. I'm not praying that they don't protest. No, I'm praying that they should go and protest. And the whole world should watch. And I'm also praying that they should come back. All of them should go back to their houses safely. Nobody should be told tomorrow. You know, that's all what I can say, guys. Let's pray for Kenya.
My Kenyan guys, I want to know, are we safely home now? Guys, are you home? Did you make it home? Guys, please, if you have made it home safely, I want to see my people. Mark your register, mark attendance here. I want to see you if you are safely home. Guys, just drop a heart. Drop a heart or drop your comment. I want to see you, my people. You know, I've always been with you in my mind. My mind, guys. I cannot be there. Like, I cannot be there physically because I'm not from there. Coming there to protest will be like, it will be on another thing, you understand? So, even if I'm in the country, I cannot protest because I am not from the country. So, if I'm arrested, my own case will be different. You understand? So, to be like a treason. So, guys, I'm with you guys in my mind. So, I want to know if you guys are safely home now. Like, my people, are you guys safely home? I want to see my family. I want to see my people. I call you my family because you guys are my family. You guys are my people. You understand? You guys are always here with me, here for me. Because with the kind of videos I've seen, guys, I'm scared. Even me that I'm not in your country, I'm scared. So, guys, please, guys, if you are safely home, let me know. I love you guys. One time, my people.